Introducing the 2021 Audi A6 TFSI, a Quattro Sport in sleek grey with only 8,500 kilometers on the clock. This 2L powerhouse is loaded with tech and safety features like ambient lighting, collision avoidance braking and satellite navigation. Enjoy the luxury of cup holders, voice control and a chrome package for added style. Rest assured with ABS, multiple airbags and a powertrain warranty. With a full health check, manufacturer servicing and comprehensive warranty, you can hit the road worry-free. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line model. Call us today or visit our website, Joe Norris Motors IE, for more information. Drive home in luxury and style with the Audi A6 TFSI E Quattro Sport.